In this video, how to access laptop remote desktop from Android phone. Go to the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for remote desktop in the Play Store. Locate the app by Microsoft Corporation and tap on it. Click on the Install button to download and install the app on your device. Open the Microsoft Remote Desktop app and press Accept button. Tap the plus icon or Add PC button to add a new PC. Set up remote desktop on your PC. Right-click on this PC. Select Properties. Then click on Advanced System Settings. In the Advanced System Settings, go to Remote tab. Enable Allow Remote Connections on this computer. Click on the Start button, located at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. Type CMD in the search bar and press Enter. In the command prompt, typing ipconfig. Look for the IP4 address under your network adapter. Enter the IP address of your PC. Tap to save the PC settings in the app. After adding your PC to the app, it will appear in the main list. Tap on the PC's name to initiate the connection. Enter your Windows username and password that you use to log into your PC. Once the connection is established, you'll be able to remotely control your PC from your Android device using the Microsoft Remote Desktop app. Ensure you keep your PC and mobile device secure and use strong passwords to protect your data and privacy.